Do you know what separates the wealthy from everyone else? It's not just big salaries or flashy investments, it's the first $100,000, the hardest and the most life-changing milestone in building wealth. Most people don't make it because they wait too long to start. Are you going to make the same mistake? By the way, did you know Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world? Imagine being so smart people name a theory after you, and still being jealous of compounding. Let me show you why your first $100,000 is not just a goal, it's the foundation of a wealthy life. Think about this. If you invest $500 a month starting at age 20 with an average annual return of 8%, you'll have $100,000 by age 35. But here's the kicker. That same $100,000 will grow to over $1 million by the time you're 60 without you adding another penny. That's the power of compounding. So, are you really going to let Netflix and Starbucks keep you broke? Because that's what procrastination is, a subscription to staying average. But here's the good news. You don't need a six-figure salary or insider knowledge to get started. What you need is consistency, patience, and a system. Start with whatever you can, 100 a month, 50 a month. It doesn't matter. What matters is starting today. Your future self will thank you. Now you might be wondering, what's the smartest way to invest to hit $100,000 faster? Stocks? Index funds? I'll reveal that in just a moment. But first, let's talk about the mindset shift that makes all the difference. It's not about what you sacrifice, it's about what you gain. That $5 coffee isn't the problem, it's what that $5 could be worth in 10 years. Every dollar you invest is like planting a seed for future freedom. The first 100K is the hardest, but once you hit it, you've built momentum, and wealth starts to grow exponentially. Remember, the clock is ticking. Start small, but start now. If you're ready to learn the smartest investments to get to $100,000, check out the links in the description or watch my next video where I break it all down. Don't wait, your future self is counting on you. Subscribe now for more actionable tips to take control of your finances and live the life you've always dreamed of. Let's build wealth together.